I'm calling out the lockpicking lawyer, McNally official, and the rest of you guys who keep propagating this lie that you can shim a combination lock with the aluminum from a can. No, you cannot. No, you cannot. That is an absolute lie. You need to be a professional and have the proper equipment to be able to shim a padlock. You need to stop lying to people just for views. You guys are nothing but scams. And as far as the rest of you, if it looks too good to be true, it probably is. Stay safe out there. Use your heads.
I'm in danger!